Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming best camera phones of 2025, the new Google Pixel 10 series is launching soon, with the most advanced features and smartphone characteristics. In addition, according to the latest available data, the new upcoming Google Pixel 10 series lineup's new prices revealed, for the US and Canada. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Fresh leaks around the new Google Pixel 10 series are already gearing up. Multiple reports now emerge daily, covering phone specifications, images, and pricing details. The latest leak reveals Pixel 10 pricing details for both the United States and Canadian smartphone markets. There's no direct price hike across the future Pixel lineup. However, the Pixel 10 Pro XL will get an effective price hike. That's because Google is removing the 128GB of variant, and starting from 256GB of RAM instead. The 256GB model remains at the same price as last year's Google 9 Pro XL, but it's now the entry option. This makes the Pro XL more expensive for buyers looking for the cheapest available storage. The new Google Pixel 10 will reportedly launch with 6 months of the Google AI Pro plan for free. Buyers will also enjoy 6 months of Fitbit Premium and 3 months of the YouTube Premium plan. Other models in the future Google Pixel 10 family will get 1 year of Google AI Pro instead. These also include the same YouTube and Fitbit benefits. What is the Google Pixel 10 series launch date? For context, the Pixel 9 series launched on August 13th last year. Pre-orders started the same day for the Standard and Pro XL models. Shipping and open sales followed on August 22nd, while the 9 Pro Fold arrived on September 4th. If Google follows a similar pattern this year, pre-orders may start on August 20th. Open sales for the Google Pixel 10 lineup series will likely begin by the end of the month, around August 29th. Reports suggest the Pixel Watch 4 and Pixel Buds 2a will launch on the same timeline. What are the Google Pixel 10 series prices? The new Google Pixel 10 with 256GB of RAM will cost around $899 and $1,229 Canadian dollars. The new Google Pixel 10 Pro with 256GB of RAM will cost around $1,099 and $1,479 Canadian dollars. The new Google Pixel 10 Pro XL with 256GB of RAM will cost around $1,199 and $1,629 Canadian dollars. The new Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold with 256GB of RAM will cost around $1,799 and $2,399 Canadian dollars. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.